I'm sure you've heard the news. Building wealth in your 20s and 30s is totally achievable. Let's dive into how you can start today. First up, get a handle on your spending. Track where your money goes each month. You might be surprised. Apps like Mint and YNAB can make this super easy. Next, save before you spend. Automate your savings so a chunk of your paycheck goes straight into a savings or investment account. Out of sight, out of mind. Invest early and often. Compound interest is your best friend. Even small amounts can grow big over time. Look into low-cost index funds or ETFs to get started. Don't forget to diversify. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Think stocks, bonds, real estate, and maybe even a little crypto. Lastly, invest in yourself. Skills and education can boost your earning potential. Take that online course, learn a new language, or pick up a side hustle. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, be patient, and watch your wealth grow. You've got this. That's it for today, folks. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more tips on living your best financial life. Catch you next time.